Good afternoon, dear students and teachers. I am Smita Patel from TPS High School, Bandpali. Welcome you all to this live virtual class from our Sundargarh district. Dear students, today we will learn from 8 paragraph to 15 paragraph of your chapter Air Pollution, a Hidden Menace. Air is invisible to us. Likewise, its bad effect also, it is a hidden menace. As you have learned previously in previous classes, what you have learned that with respect to food and water, air intake is very much to our body, isn't it? So, if you will take polluted air, then it will affect more to your body. Simultaneously, as human body is affecting with this polluted air, likewise many things, crops, flowers, trees and lakes, all things, they are also affected by this polluted air. So dear students, let's go to the smart board and learn more about what we are getting affecting by this polluted air. Dear students, first of all, we will recapitulate what you have learnt in previous class. Let's watch the video from paragraph 1. What you have learnt.
The Patel industrial disaster occurred on 3rd December 1984. A deadly gas, methyl isocyanate, leaked from Union Carbide, causing deaths of approximately.
Dear students, what you have seen? That a deadly gas leaked from Union Carbide, a company, and what is that? Methyl isocyanate, and it killed two, and also its bad effect so many people still there. Okay, so now we will what we have learnt in paragraph 2, that we will see.
A man can live without food for a month, without water for 2 or 3 days, but can't live without breathing even for a minute. An average adult exchanges 15 kg of air a day in comparison to about 1.5 kg of food consumed and 2.5 kg of water intake.
Hence, here you that water, with respect to water and food, our air intake is more into our body. That we will take more oxygen, more amount of air into our body. So, if you will take poisonous, toxic gases into our body, then it will affect more. So, you have to be aware of that. Next, what you have learnt in paragraph 3, that composition of air. नहीं तुम्हें composition of air विषय रे पढ़िछ paragraph 3 रे जे सेठी कौन what amount of oxygen, then nitrogen and other gases is there. Let's watch the video.
Air is a mixture of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, little less than 1% argon and 0.03% carbon dioxide, making up 99.9% of dry air. If this balance changes, means oxygen drops or foreign gases enter, the air becomes polluted, causing respiratory disorders.
So, if the composition is not altered by any poisonous gases, then it is called as pure air. नहीं जो composition टा अच्छी जेकी परिमाण रे nitrogen रहिबा कथा, oxygen रहिबा कथा, if that is maintained, then it is called as pure air. But if any other type of gases which is harmful for our body or harmful for our environment, if it enters and it disturbs this composition, then it is called as poisonous gas and or polluted gas. Okay. So in from paragraph 4 to 6, you have what you have learned. Let's watch the video.
Air is poisoned with the byproducts of technological society. It means smoke is produced by burning coal, and furnace oil. Smoke and ash from thermal power stations, cement, steel, and food processing industries mingles with the atmospheric air and pollute it.
So from paragraph 4 to 6, we have learned that if when in thermal power plant, in cement factories, cement industries and ore processing industries, that what happens, coal, coke, all these are burnt, and from that lots of smokes enter into our environment, and that is very much harmful to our environment. तो ये जो आमे देखिले ये जो थर्मल पावर प्लांट रे सीमेंट फैक्ट्रीज रे विभिन्न फैक्ट्रीज मान करे कोन हुए सेठारे हीट पाई से माने जो मटेरियल यूज करंती ताठू हीट संगे संगे ता संगको कोन आसे बहु परिमाण रे स्मोक मध्य निर्गत होई थाए एवं ताहा कोठी वास्ते ना हमरो एनवायरनमेंट को आसी थाए जोटा कि हम पई हार्मफुल अटे. नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम इन पैराग्राफ 7 व्हाट यू हैव लर्न.
Automobiles in Greater Kolkata spew about 1,500 tons of pollution into the atmosphere every day. A person living in Kolkata, whether he is a smoker or not, is forced to inhale toxic substances equivalent to smoking 2 packets of cigarettes a day. Automobiles are responsible for 60% of air pollution. They release maximum carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
Paragraph 7, we learned that in person living in most populated cities like Delhi, Mumbai, in Kolkata especially, they how much amount of gases, polluted gases, 100 tons. नहीं ताहले से जो polluted area रे से माने जो रोह चलती through automobiles only vehicles मानो करू किते आम environment को 60% of poisonous gases और कि मामे कोई परिबा polluted gases आम environment को आसुची नहीं. Next from paragraph 8.
The damage caused by pollution is enormous. In money alone, it represents a loss of billions of dollars each year. Many flower and vegetable crops suffer ill effects from car exhaust gases. Trees have been killed by pollution from power plants. Cattle have been poisoned by the fumes from smelters and recover aluminium from ore. Air pollution causes rubber tires on automobiles to crack and become porous. Fine buildings become shabby. Their walls blacken with soot that has settled on them. Building surfaces may actually deteriorate because of air pollution.
तो आमे देखिले हमरो एयर पोल्यूशन जोगु effect पड़ुची आम एनवायरनमेंट नहीं. एयर पोल्यूशन causes huge economic losses, billions of dollars yearly. If we will count it into the money, then it will be how much? Billions of dollars. ବର୍ଷକରେ ବହୁତ ମାତ୍ରାରେ କଣ harm ଆମ environment को ଆଉ economy को पड़ुची. Next, what is the point? It harms crops, crops means different types of amar jo ki sabu crops achi nai se manku madhya harm karuchi, kill trees nai, poisonous cattle, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଯୋଉ ଜୀବଜନ୍ତୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କେବଳ ଗାଈ ଗୋରୁଙ୍କୁ ନାହିଁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଧରାଯାଏ ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରଜାତିକୁ ଏବଂ damages buildings. It also affecting our buildings, monuments also, and rubber tires crack. Our this poisonous air also affecting our tires which is used in our vehicles. And also surfaces blacken means in different types of buildings their surfaces are getting blackened due to this air pollution. Next, what type of effect health and climate impact due to air pollution? Amo health ku kibhali impact pakochi na air pollution. Due to air pollution our eye irritation occurs, throat issues also occurs. Now it's the season changing time, you are facing so many problems, throat infection and also running nose and respiratory illness, and also contributes to deadly diseases, increasing death rates. Okay, so air pollution also, due to this different types of health issues we are suffering from. Next, what are rising gases like carbon dioxide? What are the gases that are harmful for us? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. These are the gases which trap the UV rays which is harmful for our body, and it also helps to warm up our environment. Okay, so that's was this one. The difference here you can see here amount of air in the environment that harmful gases are more with respect to this one. So when solar radiation is coming to our earth, here what is happening? As there is no such amount of carbon dioxide and harmful gases are there, so again it is re-radiated. The amount of re-radiation is more here. But here, what is happening? Less heat escapes into the space. With respect to this one, as here pure air is available, so here we can see what is happening. More heat escapes into the environment. Okay, into the space. आमर जतिकी आसुची आमर सन रु कौन यूवी रेज हार्मफुल रेज आसुची से मात्रा रे कौन होची बहु परिमाण रे से स्पेस को छाड़ी दोची, किंतु एठारे जो अछंती हार्मफुल गैसेस मिथेन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड ए माने कौन करछंती ए माने सेई हार्मफुल यूवी रेज मानकू कौन धरी की रखी छंती, जो द्वारा की एबे हमें ग्लोबल वार्मिंग रो शिकार होछु. So as here polluted air is more, so heat escapes into the space, that amount is also very much less as compared to this one. So air pollution is the main cause of what? Global warming. Rising gases like carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide trap heat, leading to global warming. Next, ozone layer. You have learnt about in science about this ozone layer. What is the work of this ozone layer? How it helps to us? So that one. So scientists worry. They are worried about what type of worry about what? Chlorofluorocarbon, which is harmful for us, used as refrigerant, cleaners and in spray cans. In spray cans, these harmful gases these are used. So which helps to destroy the ozone layer that protects our earth to from what? From harmful UV radiation which is coming from the sun. तो आमर सन रु जो हार्मफुल यूवी रेडिएशन पृथ्वी पृष्ठ को आसे सेटा को कौन करे ए ओजोन लेयर जेमती अम्ब्रेला when we why we take umbrella to protect us from rain नहीं आमे हमको सुरक्षित करिया पई वर्षा ठू आमे कोन करजंतु छता नहीं रहू से छता भली ए ओजोन लेयर आम पृथ्वी पृष्ठ को कोन करे it protect us from harmful UV radiation but as UV this ozone layer is affecting by polluted air and many type of pollution. Many holes are we are seeing many holes on that. Okay, due to air pollution different types of pollution कोन होची सेठारे छिद्र हे जोची जद्वारा कि UV radiation हमरो harmful UV radiation directly sun हमरो पृथ्वी पृष्ठ को आसुची एवं ताहा different types of diseases diseases हमरो देखा जाउची वर्तमान नहीं. So all about your chlorofluorocarbon. Next, acid rain. You know about acid rain? Acid rain formed from sulfur and nitrogen oxide. Koutu eta hai na acid rain formed from sulfur and nitrogen oxide. And what is the effect of that? When poisonous gases and these molecules they mix with the what? They mix with the water and that mixed water come to our earth surface as what? As a rain, then it is called as acid rain, and it affects our lakes, rivers, crops, soil, stone structure, and drinking water. It is this acid rain is very much harmful for all the things whatever that comes to that to its way. In Sweden, 4,000 lakes have been so severely affected that no fish have survived. Sweden रे यह बहुत एफेक्ट करथिला एवं केते 4,000 लेक्स मान गरे कोनोसी जीवजंतु कोन सर्वाइव करि पाले नाही. So not only rivers and lakes but it also affect our different types of monuments, buildings and soil also. From soil आमर soil रू माटी रू कोन हुए ए एसिड रेन जो न्यूट्रिएंट आमर ट्रीज मानकर क्रॉप्स मानकर ग्रोथ पाई नेसेसरी अटे ताहा कोन होई जाय एसिड रेन द्वारा होई जाय. इट आल्सो लीचेस vital nutrients which is the like potassium, calcium and magnesium from soil, harming trees and raising health concerns. Okay, so see next what is the health and structural impact. What happened due to acid rain? Acid rain irritates eye. When you go or when you go to the outside in acid rain, you feel that your eye irritation it occurs. Okay, and especially in children and can cause skin lesions. Here you can see what type of thing that one skin diseases it is affected by what acid rain. It is a cause of this one acid rain. It many types of effect you will get when you go in that type of acid rain. Many species are threatened by acid rain like the pied flycatcher. Okay, then apple butterfly in Sweden. Sweden raw duity famous kona bird. Gote bird out hochi butterfly. Here you can see the picture. This is pied flycatcher and this is apple butterfly. ए स्पेसीज जोटा कि एबे देखिबाकू मिलु नाहंती एटा कोठी स्वीडन रे नहीं ड्यू टू दिस एसिड रेन. नेक्स्ट the deeper fish has vanished from the river of central wales. Here you can see where is the central wales नहीं एठी हमरो यूरोप महादेश रे नहीं अच्छी सेंट्रल वेल्स सेठारे ए जो सेंटर रे जो अच्छी हमरो कोन डीपर फिश हैज वेनिश्ड फ्रॉम द रिवर. ए वेल्स रो कोन हमरो रिवर मानकरे ए जो डीपर फिश देखा जाउतला ताहा एबे आउ देखा जाउ नाहंती. एंड द ब्राउन ट्रोट फ्रॉम नॉर्वे कंट्री रे जो ब्राउन ट्रोट यही स्पेसीस रो माछ देखा जाउतला ताहा आउ देखा जाउ नाही ड्यू टू दिस एसिड रेन से गुडी को लो पाई जाइछंती. नेक्स्ट, effect on famous monuments. So even buildings are not spared. नहीं, हमें तो देखिले species animals are also getting affected by this acid rain. Likewise, buildings, fine buildings, monuments also, they are also affecting by this this acid rain. Structures are suffering damage in Poland. Poland सहरे beautiful old buildings are slowly being destroyed by acidic smoke. नहीं, ये स्मोक जो पॉइजनस स्मोक अच्छी जो धुआं अच्छी ताहा फॉग सहित मिसिकी कौन हुए ऐसे माने स्मोक तैयारी करंती एवं से गुडी को हमर ए मोनुमेंट्स मानंकु जो मार्बल रे तैयारी किंबा विभिन्न फाइन ये जो काम हितला हमर मोनुमेंट्स मानकर से गुडी को बहु मात्रा रे इफेक्ट करथांती. इन एथेंस सिटी व्हिच इज हाईली पोल्यूटेड एसिड रेन इज ईटिंग इनटू द मार्बल ऑफ इट्स वर्ल्ड फेमस मोनुमेंट्स. ए मोनुमेंट से गुडी को इफेक्ट करछंती. एबे पोलैंड शहर रे हमर कार्को कहिकरी जो फेमस कोन अछि हमर बिल्डिंग्स अछि से ताहा मध्य इफेक्ट होइछि एही एसिड रेन द्वारा. So experts note that more damage has occurred in past 25 years than in the previous 2000 मसिया जा जति हमर इफेक्ट पड़ी नथिला हम एनवायरनमेंट को एई एयर पोल्यूशन द्वारा ए विगत 25 वर्ष रे we are getting more affected by this air pollution. Next, we will discuss the question answer. I hope you will answer all the question. Rubber tires on automobiles are death by air pollution. For hands, it is very much practice. Rubber tires on automobiles are death by air pollution. What will be the right one? Eh? Very good. Option C, correct, is the right.
Option C, correct.
Very good. What does air pollution cause on the human body? On human body, what is the effect? Eye irritation,
Option A, eye irritation. Irritation. Option A.
You just read out all the options.
Option D, all the above. All the above.
Yes. All the above. Due to air pollution, we get all types of things, that is eye irritation, scratchy throats also, and also respiratory illness. Okay. So global warming is caused due to death of the radiation that reaches the earth from the sun. What will be the right one? Escaping, trapping, scattering, or increasing?
Option D, increasing. Option D, increasing.
So trapping is the right one. See, global warming is caused due to trapping. ए जो धरी रखी थाए से पाई से कौन करछि हमर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग टा बढ़ुछि. मु तुमको कहितली से समय रे कोन ट्रैपिंग मींस कोन जतबेले जो हमर सन रेज रु हमर यूवी रेडिएशन हार्मफुल रेडिएशन गुडे को आसुछि से समय रे हमर पॉइजनस ऑब्नॉक्सियस गैसेस को कोटा हमर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिथेन नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड एगुडी को कोन करचंदी एगुडी को हेल्प करचंदी से माने धरी रखुचंती से रेडिएशन गुडी को सेति पई हमर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ुछि आ से जो धरी रखिबा से तारो proper word ta hochi trapping that is the exact word which it will. Okay, dear students, this one is the easy chapter with respect to others, so you have to learn this one, practice more and more so that you will attend all the questions from this chapter. The lakes in Sweden have been so severely affected that no fish has. Which one is the right one? Escape.
Option C, survived. Option C, survived. Option C,
Very good.
survived.
Yes. Survival is the right one. Next. In Sweden, dash lakes have been severely affected by acid rain. So easy question. Which one is the right one?
Option C, 4,000.
Yes. Option B, 4,000. Yes. Acid rain kills large stretches of death, leaving behind leafless skeleton of trees.
Forest.
Option is the right.
Forest.
Option C, forest. Next, firefly, glacier, and leplo butterfly are found in
Sweden. Sweden.
Sweden.
Option B,
Very
Sweden.
good. Yes, right one. What has vanished from the rivers of Central Wales?
The deeper fish. Option D, the deeper
Yes.
fish.
Right. Next, what is vanished from the Northern lakes?
The brown. Option A, the brown trout. Option A.
Yes. Very good. Next, acid rain irritates the sensitive tissues of humans.
Option D,
Uh,
lungs and eyes. Option D.
Very good. Lungs and eyes. Very good. Beautiful old buildings of Krakow are found in.
Option C, Poland. Option C, Poland.
Very good. Poland. Acid rain is eating into the marble of world famous monuments in which one? London, New York, Moscow, Athens.
Option B. Option B,
Option B, Athens. Very good.
Athens.
Day by day, the amounts of harmful gases are increasing in our atmosphere. It would eventually lead to what? Harmful gases बढ़ुची ता कौन कुछ नौची हम पृथ्वी को growing to which one? What?
Global warming. Option
Yes,
B,
very easy.
global warming.
Global warming. Next, the death of lakes in eastern Canada has been caused by acid rain that originated in.
Option D.
Very
Option
good.
D.
Option D is the right one. Next, acids produced in British and France have caused damage in where?
Option A, Sweden. Option
Sweden.
A, Sweden.
Very good. Acid rain irritates the sensitive tissue of our eyes and lungs, particularly in. It is affecting more to whom?
Children.
Very good. Children.
Children.
It affects more to children. Next, acid rain washes away nutrients of soil. Like which type of nutrients it washes? It leaches away.
Calcium,
Is the right one?
magnesium and potassium. Calcium, magnesium and potassium.
Potassium. Very good.
Calcium.
Which of the following diseases in the box are caused by air pollution? Okay, here options are there. Eye irritation, scratchy throats, malaria, respiratory illness. So, which option is right one? Here, A, B, C, D. Which one is right one?
Option C.
Option C is the right one. Very good.
C.
Next, global warming is an impact of greenhouse gases. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas?
Carbon dioxide.
out properly.
Carbon dioxide.
Greenhouse. Okay, tell me greenhouse gas माने कौन बुझुछो? What is the meaning of greenhouse? ଆମର ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
ସବୁଜ କୋଠରୀ।
ସବୁଜ କୋଠରୀ ଯୋଉ ଥାଏ ସେ କଣ କରେ? ସବୁଜ କୋଠରୀରେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଗଛ ଲଗେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଥିବ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଗମଲାରେ ଇଏ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ସେଗୁଡିକରେ କଣ ହୁଏ? ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ କିରଣ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିପାରେ ସେଇ କାଚ ଘରରେ ନାଇଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଠୁ ତାକୁ ସେ ଉଷୁମ ରଖେ ଆଉ ସେଠୁ ମାନେ ଉତ୍ତାପକୁ ସେ ସହଜରେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇଦିଏ ନାହିଁ ନାଇଁ, କାଚ ଘର ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇଦିଏ ନାହିଁ। ସେଇପରି ଆମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମିଥେନ୍, ନାଇଟ୍ରସ୍ ଅକ୍ସାଇଡ୍, କାର୍ବନ ଡାଇଅକ୍ସାଇଡ୍ ଯୋଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଗୁଡିକୁ ଆମର ଗ୍ରୀନ ହାଉସ ଗ୍ୟାସେସ୍ କୁହାଯାଏ ନାଇଁ। କାହିଁକି? କାହିଁକି ନା ଏମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ କଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଏଗୁଡିକ ଟ୍ରାପିଂ କରିଥାନ୍ତି କାହାକୁ? ଆମର ସେଇ यूवी रेडिएशन, हार्मफुल यूवी रेडिएशन और उत्ताप ट्रैप करके रखिथांती। सेतिपई हमर पृथ्वी पृष्ठ एनवायरनमेंट कोन रहे? उषुम रहे नहीं, गरम रहे। सेतिपई एगुडी को कोन कहा जाय? ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस। किंतु ऑक्सीजन ग्रीन हाउस गैस अटे कि? ऑक्सीजन अटे नहीं, एथर कोन हबो? ऑक्सीजन। ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हिच स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू? Out every sentences and find out which is not true. Always read this one question properly, that you will find out the right answer. This statement is not true. The automobile, first option is exhaust are less dangerous than the industrial smoke. Option B, polluted air leads to
Option A.
Option A is the right one. Very good. Next subjective question we will discuss. The question is, the damage caused by air pollution represents a loss of billions of dollars in money each year. Or why does the writer say that the damage caused by pollution is enormous? Okay. So dear students, if you will divide this one with the points, then it will be easy for you to answer to write down the long question. So आमे प्रथमे कोन करिवा? एगुडी को आमे डिवाइड कर देबा तारो कोन कोन पॉइंट्स हमकु लिखिबार अछि एहा उपरे। ते कोन कहिछि? लॉस डैमेज कॉज्ड बाय पॉल्यूशन नहीं, आमे कोन कोन डैमेज होछि एयर पॉल्यूशन जोगु। हेले आमे एथरे कोन कोन इकोनॉमिक लॉस विषय रे बतेबा, एग्रीकल्चरल लॉस विषय रे बतेबा, फॉरेस्ट्री, देन हमर जीवन को किपरि हमर जीवजंतु को किपरि ताहा क्षति पहुंचौछि, देन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ harm effects we will mention, so that we will cover all means all the points and we will properly write the answer. See, first you will mention how it is affecting our economic growth. Nahi, billions of dollars we are always every year we are losing billions of dollars due to air pollution. That word, that sentence you will mention. Then flowers, vegetable, crops, they are also severely damaged by what? Car release gases, or you can say vehicle release gases. Then trees killed by pollution from power plants जोठी थाए सेठी पाखरे कोन trees मानकर survival भी कष्टकर होई पड़े। तेणु we can say that trees are also killed by this polluted air by power plants. Then cattle also, different types of our जो जीव जंतु अछंती poisoned by the fumes from what? Furnace and aluminium smelters. ए जो चिमनी मानकर जो विषाक्त धुआ बाहरे नहीं सेइतरु हमर केटल्स मान मध्य कोन होइथांती प्रभावित होइथांती. Then infrastructure means ଆମର ଆମର କଣ ହଉଛି ମୋନୁମେଣ୍ଟस ଠାରୁ ଆରंभ କରି ବିଲ୍ଡିंग्स ଠୁ ଆରंभ କରି ଆମର ଭେହିକଲ୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କର କଣ ଆମର ଟାୟାର୍ସ ଗୁଡିକ ମଧ୍ୟ they are also getting cracked by this polluted air. तो एई सबु पॉइंट को नेकी आमे आंसर लिखिबा नहीं. So I am reading out this one. The damage caused by air pollution represent a loss of billions of dollars each year. Many flowers and vegetable crops suffer a lot from what? Car release gases. Then pollution from power plants has killed lots of trees. Cattle have been poisoned by the fumes from furnaces and recovered aluminum from ore. Then you also mention air pollution causes rubber tires and on automobiles to crack and become porous. छिद्र कर दिए नहीं. What is the meaning of porous? आमर टायर मन को क्रैक करवा सह से ताकू कोणा मध्य कर दिए. फाइन बिल्डिंग्स टर्न सेबी एगुडी को मध्य से डटी कर दिए with black smoke setting on the walls and surfaces. You can see trees of roadside, they are so much covered with what that smoke and polluted smoke also, and also what that sand नहीं. आमर जो रास्ता कड़े जो गछ माने थाए बिल्डिंग्स माने थाए तमे देखिथिबो से वेहिकल्स मानंगरु कोन आमर पॉइजनस गैस निर्गत होई से गुडी को कोथरे पड़त होई थांदी पूरा ग्रीन रु ब्लैक रे पड़त होई जाथांदी नहीं. गछ गुडी को मध्य ग्रीन ट्रीज थिबा कथा से गुडी को कोन होई थांदी ब्लैक होई जाथांदी नहीं. नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. That question we will discuss kariba. How does acid rain affect fish, soil and forest? What are the impacts of this acid rain on fish, soil and forest? एरा जदि तमरो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन रे आसे तमे सेउडी को मेंशन करि परिबो. फर्स्ट तमे ताकू डिवाइड कर देबो इम्पैक्ट जेतु एठी मेंशन करछि कोन फिश उपरे किपरि इफेक्ट करूछि सॉइल उपरे फॉरेस्ट उपरे ताले तुमे कोन करिवो लाइन बाय लाइन तुमे प्रेजेंट करिवो नहीं. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एसिड रेन ऑन फिश सॉइल फॉरेस्ट. सो फर्स्ट फिश रे हमें देखिबा लेक्स रिवर्स बिकम एसिडिक. वाटर पीएच वैल्यू बढ़ी गला बरे कोन हुए ता एसिडिक कर दिए नहीं. रिवर्स वाटर ऑफ रिवर्स आउ लेक्स मानकू टॉक्सिक एल्युमिनियम आयंस आर रिलीज्ड हार्मिंग गिल्स. हमरो फिश मानकर गिल्स को मध्य ताहा कोन करे इफेक्ट करि थाए. इन स्वीडन गोटे एग्जांपल दे देबो 4000 लेक्स हृद मानकर कोन आइतला हैव बिकम फिशलेस माने सेगुडी को समस्त कोन आइतले डेड होइतले नहीं. जो सबु जीव जो लेक्स मानकर थिले सेगुडी को मरि जाइतले. देन सॉइल रे केमिति इफेक्ट करूची ताहा तुमे मेंशन करिवो. दैट एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स लाइक व्हाट आर दे पोटेशियम कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम दे आर आल्सो लीचेस अवे ड्यू टू दिस धोई होई जाए ड्यू टू दिस एसिड रेन. देन इट ऑल्सो देन जितेबले तुम पोटासियम कैल्शियम मैग्नीशियम एगुड़ी धोई हो कौन हम आमर गछ गुड़ी भल भाव बढ़ी पार नहीं. सो इट रेड्यूसेस सॉइल फर्टिलिटी माने तार जो कौन गछ को बढ़ेबार जो क्षमता जो भल भाव से न्यूट्रिएंट्स से गुड़ी दे पार नहीं. यह तुम लिख. देन फॉरेस्ट तुम मेंशन कर स्ट्रिप्स आमर जो न्यूट्रिएंट सॉइल लेयर्स से गुड़ी ग्रोथ कौन हो स्टैग्नेंट स्टंटेड लीड्स टू लार्ज स्ट्रेचेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट डाइंग लिविंग स्केलेटल ट्रीज नहीं. आमर गछ गुड़ी पत्र विहीन हो कौन हाउ डज एसिड रेन इफेक्ट फिश soil and forest. এই आंसर को तमे एभली भाव रे लिखि परिबो. एसिड रेन इफेक्ट्स एवरीथिंग इट फॉल्स ऑन जहा ऊपर मध्य पड़े तार को कोन बैड इफेक्ट पकई थाए नहीं. द वाटर इन रिवर्स एंड लेक्स टर्न्स एसिडिक and 4000 lakes have turned fishless. Also changes the soil's nutrient content नहीं. It Squashes or leaches away nutrients like potassium, calcium and magnesium from the upper layer, and acid rain also kills or stretches of forest leaving their skeletons. नहीं पत्र विहीन मध्य करिदिए नहीं केवल गछ गुड़िक आउ से भल भाव ग्रो करि पारे नहीं. So write down this question. These are the important questions, and only 15 days per subject left for your annual examination. So try hard every day, and means you have to focus on first your weaker section, not first what is easy for you. जोटा तुमको easy लगुची से गुडी को first तुम्हें cover करिनियो, so that तमे exam रे कोन एबे hard को जदि तमे धरिबो ताले easy मध्य तमे करि परिबो नहीं. So try to do the easy one first, practice it much and much, and then you focus on the hard part, try them also, and because only 15 days माने गोटे विषय 6टा विषय को तमरो गोटे विषय को मात्र 15 दिन पडुची. You have to cover in that 15 days for one subject. So best of luck for your examination. Thank you.